So start recording again.
Alright,
Oh man.
so
Okay,
right.
so and I need to remember to post the correct video. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
fine. That's fine. Let's go back to what matters. Oh, we were searching about how can
Yeah,
we do
parse.
the.
Yeah, we were discussing about how to if we should represent every character as ASCII, and then we don't have to worry about numbers.
I don't think we got a way to fix that last time around, right?
No, we didn't. No,
Yeah, because we need to
which
do it
is
like
very
this,
stupid.
which is terrible. Like,
Very stupid. Yes.
there's no way, man. Shards is in their length.
String data types.
How people live like that, man?
Dude, Erlang has Unicode, so I guess if it's not just a byte string, I think it should have support.
No, it is a number, man. Look.
This is okay. Let's just stop using this language and just redo everything in like I don't know, man.
Oh
Visual
no.
Basic.
Oh no. Wait. So let's try to think about the implications of this thing. Because how often we need to parse an individual character in a way
Um,
that it matters, like in a way that we cannot
the
use
problem is like
number
even though
representation.
if you don't do that much, which I don't think we do, like we are probably just gonna parse symbols, right? It's like
Yeah, exactly.
the problem is that you use that to construct parsers for strings and numbers as well.
No, but I think that strings
Actually,
they will
number I
work
think it
fine.
doesn't matter because we have the integer and the float, so I think that's fine.
Yeah, but I think that we may like the majority of the cases we want to parse strings, and strings we know they work. But in this particular case, we want to parse in like a single character, which is kind of rare if you think about it. So I
They
think
want a
it's
hard
fine.
code.
I kind of think it's fine. So let's do the table approach for the numbers for now. Okay, so numbers they are in
Okay, just wanna
48
check.
to
Yeah.
57. Okay.
Wait, 48 to 57. Can you go back there?
Yeah, here.
All right, I see. Yeah, 57. Yeah.
Yeah, so any number, now we just need to ask. Okay, we're gonna have to make a function for that. Oh, we could use an flet, but I don't have the patience. So
No, thank you.
um, the correct way of doing, I guess, would be, and this is again too small.
I need to make a case, right? Is that what you want to do?
We can do an if. So how that's
If
gonna work? We're gonna do
oh, okay,
this,
if it is in the table, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I see. If it's in the
this.
range, right?
Oh, this is infixed, right? This operator here.
Yes,
Okay,
I
so
actually I don't know if that is a valid operator in LFA, but try. I think
uh,
it's just and true true. But
oh,
try
it
that.
is end. If it is Lisp based, it is end, which means that it's like this.
Yeah.
So the first one is needs to be greater than we have candidate and 48, and we also need to be smaller
Mhm.
or equal to and candidate 57, I guess.
Yes.
And then if that's the that if that's the that's pretty much it. We don't even if this is the return. This is already return.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, it's not that painful.
Yeah. Okay. I'm glad Nathan is not here though.
Shh. He doesn't even need to see that.
uh, okay, so here we're gonna do a case or we're gonna do an if. Because for me, an if kind of makes more sense than a case because we're gonna do a case of a true and a false. Does that make
Yeah, just do
sense?
an if.
Yeah, I guess so. So we also need to add extra parentheses because we're gonna put check
You're getting pretty good
number.
at this, man. I can tell.
Oh no, we can't, man. We can't do it like this.
What?
It needs to be a case.
Why?
That sucks. Because we have to first evaluate if we have the input is correct, right? If we have an empty, this is of
All
course a
right, that's true.
failure. But if we have
Yes.
a cons and a head and a tail, what we do is we need to evaluate the head
Yeah,
using check
yeah.
number. But
Mhm.
that also sucks because now we're gonna have a case inside a case, as far as I can
Yeah,
tell.
sure.
So it's gonna be something like case this, and probably there.
Actually, no, 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 no. That's wrong, right?
I don't know.
You cannot, because that's the pattern matching. That's the wild card. You cannot make case there because it's an
Oh,
expression.
oh, makes sense. Makes
So
sense.
yeah, the case should be inside. Yeah,
In
that
here.
one.
So it's gonna be
But
check.
if you're gonna do that, why don't you do an if inside that, like there, instead of a case there?
Oh, and that's also better. So it's gonna be an if. Actually, I need to do this. If check number head, then the first thing is the true case, which
Yes.
is this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's this. And then the
Mm-hmm.
second is gonna be a false. So it's gonna be a tuple. And it's gonna be actually the entire input with a success. No, with a failure. And the error message will be no digits found. Were. Okay, so is this amount of parentheses correct? Because I kind of eyeball it. No.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So
now let's try.
uh, paste. Nice. And there is apparently in here.
Yeah, how to call it? With a many. Yeah, exactly the same thing.
Okay, so instead of this, we're gonna do number. So this should be a failure. That's not a good
Yeah, it's
sign. Oh, it's because I guess this should be like this. No, this is just
no.
broken. I guess.
Why is it not replying anything? Can you try with a number? See if it parses.
It's not returning anything, man.
Remove the many.
No, no, no. I think this is fundamentally wrong because,
Remove the many, man.
man, no, there's no way this is
Oh, wait.
correct.
What the fuck? Just kill the REPL. Oh man.
Q. Oh.
K
Internal state. Q.
K Ctrl C, man. Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Keep pressing. Yeah, thank you.
LFA.
Do the same thing, but do not copy the module.
So copy everything outside of the module.
The comment as well. Remove the shit. It's useless.
No, man. Something is fundamentally wrong.
You can do the following then. Ctrl C. Rebar 3. LFA space LFA. Compile. Oh, you didn't install LFA, man, on Rebar. You just need to add a command there. Let's do that already. Let me just get it here. It's just a command you put in your config. Um, okay.
But this was working the last time around. Why it's not working?
I don't know.
No, man, this needs to be wrong. That doesn't make any sense.
Here. Paste this inside your thing. The thing that I'm talking about is a dot config in your home. Just dump
Uh,
that. Do an like an mkdir dot config slash rebar3 that doesn't exist. No. Dot config, literally config slash rebar3. It didn't create, so you need to create a folder and then slash and then rebar.config. No, I mean like just create that as a directory and now make a file inside.
how do you make a file?
No.
Oh,
Echo.
just
Whatever.
for lols. Okay.
Yeah, man. And
Uh,
then slash rebar.config. And then just paste that crap there.
um, did you put it in the chat? Yeah. Are you sure Emacs is gonna work for me? Yeah. What else?
That's it.
Just the same
Now
command?
do now rebar3. Just type rebar3. I think it will fetch. Yes, fetching
How this
LFA.
was working back then?
This wasn't. We weren't trying with this.
We were.
No, with rebar we weren't.
No. But I was doing LFA stuff.
No, LFA stuff is okay, but you're not doing via rebar,
Yeah,
which
but that
should.
that does not solve the problem of how this is not
No, man,
compiling.
no, dude, no, you didn't get what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to load this module right away from rebar. So like you don't have to dump that thing and possibly break the terminal.
Like this.
Yeah, like this. But first, I think we need to change some config in the project because you renamed the file. So go
Oh,
back to
maybe
the
that's
file.
it, right?
Go to the knife app src. I don't think we need to change there. Go to rebar config.
Oh, the main. It's expecting to have a main file in the knife file, which we don't, right?
Oh, I don't know if it's expecting a main, but oh, I think it is. Yes. Mhm. Okay, can you go to the knife.fa and make a main there? Copy this
Uh,
and remove that export main 0 because there is no main 0 there.
how do
Just
I
remove.
export everything then?
I don't know. I
That's
just know how to list particular things.
yeah, which is the best approach, but we don't have any functions for there now. So this is gonna be knife, and we need to make a function. Let me just copy
Main that
paste.
receives one parameter, I guess, which is the argv.
Let me pick the main function that we have here.
I don't know if we have a main function
Oh
there.
yeah.
Yeah, but it should have an argv, I think.
No, this was working. I think that's fine.
Yeah, we weren't, dude. We weren't compiling via rebar, man.
That's okay. That's true. So you want to put I don't know
Yeah,
argv
just
here.
put like argv. Yeah, just return some bullshit, whatever. Don't care for this Greg shit. Now just go back to the terminal and then do rebar tree compile. Yeah.
I think. What do you
Oh,
think?
I don't think he did. Can you add the IO? Okay, try rebar 3 LFA. Just that.
Oh,
No, life. LFA is life.
REPL.
Is scriptize. Can you run
Oh,
that?
we
Yes.
have
Ki-
this.
Kill that shit.
Oh no, but this
Run.
worked.
No, but dude, kill that. I wanna run as a script. Run the scriptize. Rebar 3.
Multiple
Fine.
project apps and not set. We need to set this. And there are multiple project apps apparently.
So, okay. Can you check the file?
Let me copy
The
paste
atom
this.
there should be the function, I think you call.
Uh, this file.
Yes, sir.
Where
Search,
should we
search
put
for another main. Search for another main. Like, what is the thing it's complaining?
multiple multiple project apps apparently?
No, no, no. The name, man. Scriptize what?
Is script main app.
Main app. Okay. Search where there are main apps. There's this.
And there
There's
there's
just
the
one. What the fuck?
Is this what it's complaining about? No, it's just saying that it's not set, man.
Not set with bar
There, it
config.
is complaining about two things. This is the one complaint, and this is another complaint.
Multiple. Okay, I see. Multiple project apps. Can you go there?
Multiple project apps.
Do you see any apps? Multiple project apps.
Oh, we have these two apps.
Can you move include apps? Can you change that to basic?
Instead of knife.
Yeah, I'm guessing here. I don't know how that works.
Okay, same thing, and I saved it, yeah. Still multiple project apps, apparently. Which is not fun.
Multiple
Not fun. Hooks. Oh, this was a hook. That's why that it was working before, apparently. We have tests. This is super weird.
Yes. Dude, like, what's the problem with people just making something like stupid? Like, okay, run this. That's it. Like, I'm pretty sure you can do crazy stuff with this, but man,
I'm pretty sure. Let's try to search this zero, man. I bet we're not gonna find anything about it, but let's gonna try.
oh, that's rebar. So maybe we can
Uh,
multiple independent projects. I don't understand the independent projects. We don't have them. We just have one thing. I'm thinking it's understanding the multiple files as independent projects.
but that doesn't make any sense at all.
No.
Okay, so is there anything here that like depths? I think this is just like dependencies and stuff. That's fine.
Yeah.
Let's look at the spoon, man, because spoon we have
Yeah, we added there. So we
configuration
can look.
here, here. Wait, we just have this spoon. What do we have here? Why is this in quotes?
This is an atom. So it doesn't matter. The quotes are without the quotes. This is an atom.
And we don't have. Oh no, we do. Okay, let's just copy paste
No,
spoon.
but wait. I think we need LFA there.
Oh, we do.
Yeah, because that's free bar for Erlang shit. I think we need LFA.
So knife and kill this. Yeah, according to this.
Yeah.
Actually, we never tried doing excriptize in Spoon, right?
We did.
No life. No, no, we didn't.
Dude, no, we did. I was doing that all the time.
I was doing that all the time. Do we
Check
have
the
main?
I think you need
Oh,
to type. I think knife main.
knife like
No,
this.
man. Inside that, dude. Why do you insist on not using parentheses, man? What's the problem? With it? And then pass something like I don't know. Yeah,
Undefined
undefined.
function. This.
Yeah, so it's not loading stuff.
Yeah. Inside
Check
the
the other comments there.
source. Inside the source, we have
Yeah, check
this.
the source. Go back. Yeah, yeah. There's nothing there.
Application spoon. Wait. Application
Application
knife
knife.
description git.
Change the atom there. Knife. Oh, I think yeah, that could be the issue.
Not. No. And also no.
Knife. Type again knife because that was with a tick in between. So maybe the atom got bugged.
No.
No.
Undefined function knife. Yeah, there's not understanding is loading stuff.
I don't think the REPL is actually loading it. Just the LFA again without the REPL. Like every bar 3 LFA. Just take a look at what we have there. We have run. Okay.
Confabulate.
Confabulate. Convert. What the okay. I would just ignore that. Run the clean.
Rebar 3 LFA clean.
Okay. Now run the run. Like LFA run. No such file or directory. Undefined.
Undefined?
So Viv, there's something misconfigured, man. I'm
No, it's
gonna.
totally a configuration issue. But
Uh,
what is wrong? That's so weird.
we can take a look. Search for like rebar 3 LFA. Rebar 3 LFA. Yeah. Example. You. Example.
Here. This seems familiar. Yeah,
It's
this is
the
very
same thing.
familiar. And then in the source, we have the app source stuff, which does has quotes.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. It's an atom. Quotes
Oh,
or not.
modules. That's interesting. Main module. We need
Yeah.
modules apparently.
Oh.
So,
I don't know that, but could be.
oh, it's empty here.
Oh. But what should be there?
Yeah, this apparently.
Okay.
Okay, nothing. So
They'll
maybe we need to
compile.
compile first and now
And dude,
run.
it's not like doing any shit.
Yeah, that's what sucks. Even it's not even providing an error message to us to follow. It's just it's just not doing stuff. Let's go to the LFA this file. This is the main file. I
They're
guess.
exporting it.
No, this is which one is the main file? Rebar 3 LFA. Yeah, it needs to be this.
They're just exporting init. Hang on just a second, let me go to the kitchen.
Man, what the fuck? I just noticed we have different OTP versions and stuff. Holy crap. Okay, I guess. LFA. Oh, hello, Vinicius.
Hi, folks.
We are suffering here. Just a tiny bit.
Is it the parser combinator stuff in inglês?
Yeah,
Oh,
but we
how's it
have.
going?
Go on.
Back. Oh, hey Vinicius.
Hi.
Okay, so I also noticed something, Mageta. When I
What?
do LFA by itself, I go to OTP 21, and when we do rebar 3 LFA, I go to OTP 24.
That's probably because of Nix.
Yeah, definitely because of
Because
Nix.
yeah, rebar 3 probably downloaded as dependency. The other thing, the latest.
Yeah.
I don't think it matters though. I can.
Yeah, but reading this piece of code from this guy, I'm not understanding why ours is not working at all. Like his
Yeah, I
config seems to be
don't.
fine.
It's the same thing. I don't see any difference.
Have you guys tried using Mix? Not Nix, but Mix, the
Mix
package manager.
for, but does it
No,
work
like
for
Mix
any?
with M.
No, yeah, I know, but does it work for other things apart from Elixir?
I know it works for Clean, but Erlang, but not LFA. Let me see.
For the shady one, right?
Mix LFA compiler. I think it does.
Yeah, if it works, we can port there, man. Let's see. Mix exponent. Oh yeah, there is here. Mix LFA. Oh man, this is much better. I can totally tell.
Oh man, this is much better.
Dude, oh man, this is just sad. And dude, they're so lazy. Look at this, like license, same as Elixir. Like, okay, okay, dude, let's install Mix instead.
Man, I don't know.
Just try to copy and paste for now. We can fix that later.
I just want to have our parser combinator working, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just copy and paste thing to the thing. Just remove the compile and run LFA and paste stuff there.
What do you mean, just
Just
paste?
run that REPL. Just run REPL. Now paste the garbage code we made. The
Is
monkey
Mix
word.
already installed?
No, it's not.
I don't think it's packaged like just Mix into Nix, but you can like install Elixir and then have Mix.
No. Yeah, we're not gonna go there. Then forget about it. Just dude, copy from parser beyond. Like forget about the rest. Yeah, just there. And don't copy the comments. I mean the last comments. I think that could be the thing buggy.
Oh, that's interesting theory. Here. I'm
Yeah,
pretty sure
but
it's
you added a
bugged.
comment
Yeah,
in the
I'm pretty
beginning
sure
as
it's
well.
bugged.
Try to type an S expression like 1 plus 1. Yeah, so it's bugging.
It's
Oh,
totally
dude,
broken.
do the following, man. Go to Emacs. Let's do step by step, man. Open LFA there.
Oh, LFA here.
Yeah,
3 O LFA
run.
run.
And then just zoom.
Uh, this, this.
And then just copy, just select all this area without the comment. Yes.
There's comments in the middle, but that's fine.
Yeah, whatever. And then just press Ctrl C R. Ctrl C, Ctrl R, I think.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
I was thinking the Greg way. Okay, here. Control C, Control R. Oh.
Yeah, okay. It seems fine, I guess. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, go copying expression by expression. Like, select function by function, do that.
uh,
Kill it first, right? Yeah.
Don't you need
Inferior
like to end
LFA.
with a dot or
which
something? Like in
which
Second,
Erlang?
which one it is this man?
this.
This?
Kill. Yeah. What
Yes.
is it, Vinicius?
Don't you need to put like a dot after expression like in Erlang?
No, no, in LFA, no. Because it's the same as Lisp.
Yeah, but it's cursed and it's from Erlang land, so you
No,
never
but
know.
it's the whole point of this is getting away with the Erlang, man.
Okay, it is
You can
working
never
right
do
now.
that.
It's fine, right? Now
Just go
let's.
copy what the man, don't do that. See if it's still running. Just do meta p. Meta p. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so keep going, keep going. You're being greedy, you're copying twice.
Yeah, but that's fine. Still working fine. Still working fine. Let's go even beyond now.
Oh no.
Okay. Still working fine. Everything is fine. Let's jump this guy. Let's pick these two. No, it's broken. Oh, so
So
probably it is parentheses. It's this the whole time.
but wait, the parentheses are right.
No, they are not, man. Now they are. They
Oh.
were like this.
Oh man, I didn't see that. Okay.
All
Alright.
of that. I don't know how much time you
Dude,
wasted on it.
please activate the mode for parentheses, man. That would be
Oh
hellish.
no. Oh no.
We lost like what, 15 minutes of this?
No, much more than 15 again. Much more. Let me check OBS, man. Probably 20 out of the 32. Okay, now we can just kill this thing. We
Yeah.
can tackle the whole configuration later. For now, I don't care.
Yeah.
Uh,
I don't care
let's
either.
put this responsibility to
Actually, I don't
Vinicius.
think
That
I
makes
care
sense.
later as well.
Let's put the responsibility of configuration to Vinicius and Flake. I'm fine. I'm really fine with that. Uh, uh, okay. Okay. Do we have? Yeah,
Okay,
nice.
yes.
Why do your parentheses appear when you select the text?
Yeah.
uh,
Imagine with my mode for invisible parentheses, what will happen?
Is that supposed to be great?
of course.
Why?
Because Mageta's intention is to make me don't look at the parentheses so then I will not
Yes.
complain because
So
I always complain
he
about
acts
this.
naturally. He acts naturally. He ignores them completely and he just thrives.
Nice.
Um
Oh,
Actually it shouldn't break that way. It should return a false failure parser, not
Exactly.
break.
So I don't know exactly why it's failing. So let's do
Will you
any char here, and we kind of know that this was working before. Yeah, no, something really wrong happened.
can you
Something.
show the command? Is it with many, right?
Yeah, it is with many. We have an error expanding this apparently.
Let's look at this pretty log, this beautiful stack trace.
What? What's this?
I think he got the last. I don't know.
Man, this doesn't
Oh,
make any sense.
is he printing the arity? I don't
Oh,
know,
it's
man.
possible. It's possible it is printing the arity. So let's do I don't know any char. Symbol any char is unbound. I
Hmm.
think I need to add parentheses in this guy.
Yeah, because he returns a parser. Yes.
Yeah, so this is a function which is pretty nice. Now we're gonna have make input, uh, and we're gonna have text a error. That's not cool. So we are doing something wrong. We're doing something wrong about this. What about?
You're back, people.
Okay. But dude, it doesn't make sense to something be wrong because that was the exact command we were running. Like, it doesn't make sense.
I don't know if it's the exact command, but I remember something like this. I do remember. This is throwing in a new error, by the way. Uh, Error expanding this.
Oh, let's see.
I'm not gonna be able to decode this, I guess.
Wait. Make input, then fun, and char.
Wait, maybe we were using fun call back in the day.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah, because
using
this is
phone
not
call.
here.
I was thinking about that, but
So, oh yeah, there is more parentheses in here. And then you put phone call here. Nice!
yeah, okay. Because like it got the function, but it doesn't know what to do with it,
Yeah,
right?
so let's put a
Enclosure
number now.
that would just work.
Bad form application. This needs to indicate that we have a problem with our function this time. So let's go there. Any number. Here it is. So we do this. Are these parentheses right? Maybe they are wrong.
No, this is wrong. Remove this.
This what?
Alter parentheses.
These ones that I'm selecting right now?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes. Absolutely sure.
Because I thought it would be one parenthesis to the
No, no.
expression and another parenthesis to the if.
Mm-mm.
Okay then.
Why did they let it compile though? That's so stupid.
Yeah, that's bad. Um, Undefined function this. Oh, this is
Oh,
the.
you remember, right? That's so stupid, man. What the fuck?
It's
Dude,
okay.
like it's literally breaking the convention of any other language. Like, dude,
Nice.
undefined. No digits were found. Now try, yeah,
Nice.
try 222 with a many. 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Dois patinhos foram passear na praça do tempo. Any number
Oh,
is
parentheses.
unbound. Parentheses. It's gonna be beautiful, man. Think about the
It's
S
gonna be
expression.
so bad. It's gonna be terrible. Undefined function loop. What?
Whoa,
This is
many has
crazy.
a loop.
Yeah, but why? I think I did with the entire thing. Why it didn't work at all? Undefined function loop. What?
Loop 3 is
Oh no,
undefined.
maybe it is the OTP version. We don't have
No,
flags in the 21.
no,
That
no.
would be hilarious.
Wait,
That
it's
would
saying
be
it does not
terrible.
find uh, loop 3. Go back there, please.
Wait, man. We don't need to do that. We can just do rebar 3 LFA REPL, which is the 24. Then we copy all
I
of
don't think it's a
this.
version one.
We copy this. Because now we know that the parenthesis is not the problem.
Dude,
See?
I don't know how people trust this in production, man.
that's a
Dude, this whole
that's a
environment,
good
like,
question.
I understand it has the purpose of like, okay, if it breaks, it just has a supervisor that handles it, like, and puts it back to state. But man, like, even there, like, I think they're better alternatives than nuking completely our typing system and everything else.
Loop 3 undefined. Yeah,
Dude,
so
look
loop
at
3
this.
is
Look at
totally
their
done.
uses for the many. Like, go back there. Probably some call that we're doing bullshit. Like, look at where there is loop and see if there is anything that doesn't exist as tree. Loop has three things. Undefined function loop tree.
Man, this was working last time around. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, but wait. Any char, it doesn't receive a parameter, right? Right? Any number also doesn't. That's stupid.
Yeah. So something needs to be very weird. Because this was working, I'm not crazy, right? This was
Yeah,
working.
yeah. Hmm.
Uh, and it's saying that we don't have this. We don't have loop, which kind of indicates we don't have a flat, I guess.
But that doesn't make sense to me.
No, it doesn't make sense because we did. I
And we were
remember this
running
working.
on your machine. Nothing changed.
Well, the mood changed, right? What the? I can't put parentheses, man.
Dude, let's see the uses for loop. It's defined with three parameters: the input, parser, and the SSA accumulator.
Yeah, it's
And then
always.
we just call in the tuple where we have success. We call it again with the rest, which is the new input, the parser, and the cons of the value and the accumulator. So appending it.
Yeah.
And then we just do loop input parser and an empty string, an empty list.
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, it seems fine to me.
Oh, I remember this being fine. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand what exactly they mean by.
Yeah.
Um,
Undefined function many zero.
whoa,
What?
this works.
Yeah, but like it's breaking on the evaluation, right?
Yeah, but we can do step by step.
Yeah, try.
So, parser run. Nice. Then, okay, this is a phone call. I'm gonna just put parentheses here and make input text. Yeah, and then we have a problem. Undefined function. Undefined, man. What? How is this working?
But dude, you know what I think is like most retarded of this?
What?
Which line is he breaking?
We will never know. We will never know, man. Never know. Undefined function loop 3. Yeah, so it's complaining. It needs to be complaining about this, I guess.
I don't know. It
No, we
could be
can though.
the loop. It could be the loop inside. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, it is complaining about this. I don't understand. This was working and now it's not working. Why?
I'm back.
I didn't lose much.
And I'm lost us debugging garbage.
uh, we still want to understand how this is not doing its thing. Yeah. So flet is not working.
So we don't have flat on the scrap,
But we
dude.
did. That's the thing.
Yes. I mean, just define the thing outside, man. Like screw this. Like I'm not with patience to deal with this shit. Like
Screw
we
this.
lost a huge time last session with just like trying to fix the flat to do a Fibonacci, man. I don't care anymore.
Oh man, I get this pissed. I get this pissed.
I mean,
Do you remember any sort of special thing that we did to make it work?
no.
Because I don't remember doing
I
that.
just followed my instincts and it worked.
Okay, last thing. Last attempt, I guess. Control X. This. It is still working? Yeah. Um, yeah. Undefined function loop 3.
Wait,
How?
wait, wait, wait. What did you do?
No, I
I
just because
wasn't watching.
I was using in the term in here in the terminal I was using the OTP24, right? And I remember using this terminal. This is exact way of doing things last session on Tuesday, and I remember this working. I'm pretty sure it worked.
Yeah, I
Uh,
remember it worked as well. We stopped because we were confident it was working. So do the following, like extract that loop shit into another like
oh
loop
man,
function and just use it.
that's so bad,
Yes, it
so
is,
bad.
but
Okay, let's do the following then. Uh, let's comment this out. I kind of I almost want to go back to the video and see it working just to be sure that I'm not crazy.
yes, I will do that right after this
Oh no, man! Oh no!
to see the illusion.
The illusion. Uh, okay, this is fine. Oh no, wait.
What?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's
Yeah,
fine.
just remove one parenthesis before the loop.
Oh yeah. So we can remove this, I guess. And now we have extra parentheses. Yeah. So we can try like this and like this.
And
Yeah,
then like
now it
loop
works.
undefined. Okay, whatever, man.
No,
I don't care.
no, whatever, man. No, whatever. This was working, and we know it was working. It
Don't
almost
try
makes me
to
feel
argue.
that we. Wait. I should have tested this before. I'm glad that I saved this version.
There are two parentheses. There are two. Yeah, everything seems fine. This looks like bullshit.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it looks right. Yeah. Okay. So we have to. I don't know. We're gonna go back to this at some point. I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
or not. We might just give up.
well, we won't. I know us. We won't.
I can't believe I voted for this man.
It's fine. It's completely fine, and it works. And it works flawlessly, by the way.
So now we can parse an integer. Oh wow, how much progress.
Yeah, it works awesome.
So let's try to parse an integer and a float. What about that?
We're not gonna have floats in your language, so let's do
What do
rational.
you mean? What the fuck,
No, we're
man?
not gonna have floats in the language.
Dude,
Nathan
what the
said that.
fuck are we doing if we're not gonna parse floats, man?
We're gonna do we're gonna do rationals, not floats.
Oh yeah, I get it.
What the fuck are we doing? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so what's next step then? What's next step? Let's continue
So
writing the example, right? So contracts this.
I'm thinking of how funny is a language that doesn't have any floats. It's just like rationals.
Oh man.
Kind of French actually. All right. So no, dude, no, dude. It's a squared. Do squared. because it
Sorry?
already has the highlighting everything.
Sorry? Oh, the square. Like this.
Yes. The
Uh,
full, yeah, just add plus. Just make a nested thing, like plus,
no,
yeah.
man. Let's go baby
No, make
steps.
another expression, like I'm saying, like make multiple.
Make another expression. You mean like...
Yeah, because we're gonna, no man, like multiple, like new line, make another one.
Wait, I'm confused.
No man, new line, make another expression. Yeah, it's like that.
No, but this is just sum. This is just sum.
Whatever, man. Just do like minus, whatever. I'm
Why
just
are
saying,
you
like, so,
so anxious, man?
dude. No, man, no, dude. I'm just saying, like, we should parse slash n tabs, white spaces, like that thing. So that's why I'm saying, like, just add more shit there to the file.
Okay. Um. Okay.
Dude, it
Add
could be
more
just like
shit.
more of the same shit. Like it's the same. Let's do it.
Okay. What about this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So we're gonna have to make parse and expression now. That's fun.
Yeah. So
Did,
let's
did I
see
write arithmetic right?
arithmetic. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So let's
So
parse that crazy number first. So let's make another. Go to the knife.
knife.
And make a function down there that, let's see, read the file. Oh no. Okay,
I
we
don't
don't
know
need
if
to.
you want to do that, but okay.
Yeah, I don't know, but
It would be
you
cool
know.
though. I need to be honest. It would be cool.
Oh no, I don't
Uh,
know. I don't know about that, man.
it would be cool. A lot of cool.
Let's go to the Erlang website to check the modules. Oh, you open there. IO down there.
Here. F read.
But I think he reads not from a string. It's just
Standard
formatted.
input.
Yeah.
So read. IO device prompt. Reads a term from the standard input, prompting it. That's not what we want. And this is also not what we want. We want to read a file. You need, man, makes sense to be F read, man. File read.
I don't know if it's that or format read, which I think is the case. Which doesn't make sense to me. Oh yes, it is. It's format. It's talking about format there. Uh, characters in accordance with interprets the characters in accordance with format. So that's it. That's it.
Wait,
Oh, there's that
parse?
line.
What is this?
Parse Erl. Oh, we can parse like Erlang tokens. Like you see that crap that we have there on the rebar config?
Yeah.
That's the Erlang expressions, I think. So we can parse that. But we're not leveraging that, so who cares?
We are not leveraging that.
Just search on like I don't know. So probably like in Stack Overflow, somebody say, "Oh, how
Read
can I?"
file.
Yeah, read file line by line.
No, Golang, no.
Golang. Go.
File read. Oh, there's a module called file.
All right. I didn't know that.
Why? Why?
Why is it
Like,
not in IO, man? What?
what the? Okay, so file. Okay, file name, dear
File
name.
name.
We don't have file by itself. Like, what this guy is talking about?
And they discover it's like OTP.
I don't know, man.
Oh no, it's up there, man.
Where?
No, like you were looking down there. It's up.
No, man. Look.
Oh no, it's like hierarchy. Dude, what the heck?
Man, it is hidden, I guess. It is hidden. I can't believe this. But okay, who cares about documentation? Let's read this guy's post. Just copy paste this. I don't care.
You're getting the
Uh,
spirit. The spirit of revolution. Okay, so let's understand his function.
Yeah, but this is our inner line. We just need to
No,
convert
yeah.
this to LFA.
Well, let's see what it's doing. So it's pattern matching, and then it gets the OK and the device. And then with the device, he gets. Okay, so that's like the string, right?
Yeah,
So, and then from that, you
pretty much.
try.
Where is this coming from, by the way? What's this?
It's an atom.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's an atom.
an atom with brackets?
It's a
Yeah,
list
it's a
of
list.
atoms.
Oh, I see. Oh,
Uh,
here it is. Thank you. Second guy. This is what we want.
binary
This is
split.
this is not what we want. This is.
No, but wait. Do we always want to split things like that? Oh man.
Um.
Shouldn't we read everything? Like all
I
the time?
That's
mean,
a that's a good side.
since
There's only
it's
two
like a
posts though.
parser combinator, do we care about reading all the lines? Can't we
Yeah,
just
we
like
read. You
read
read
the
every.
buffer?
You read all the chunk right in the file.
It because it doesn't make sense as a parser. It doesn't make sense to have something like this, you know. Because this, that's why I want to make them separate. Because in order to have this sort of thing, you need to have some sort of a container. This is just like thrown in here. We don't have a container wrapping this or wrapping this.
Yeah, man, you can do like a module, whatever. Our language doesn't have modules, but we can just make a begin end, whatever.
Yeah,
I
that
just
that.
wanted to iterate, man. That's all. Like
Yeah,
just to
but
learn
let's
this
let's
stuff.
iterate through this first then. I
Yeah,
think this
okay,
is
okay.
already complicated enough.
Okay, so go to again to knife, and we need to find a function that reads the entire thing. Like file. How can we read the entire thing?
Read file. Okay, binary. That's promising. So returns OK binary, or binary is a binary data object that contains the contents of file name, or OK in the reason that, yeah, this is exactly what we want. Read file.
Yeah, but why binary? Because you're
Binary means basically string,
Yeah,
string in your language.
binary is the most. Actually, I don't know. Binary it means like ones and zeros.
I yeah I don't know.
Kinda. Like in
Oh no.
Elixir, for
Oh
example,
no.
there's like string, which
Things are
is.
just getting
But
worse.
yeah, you can use it to, like, to
It's
string
just
basically. You
getting
can use it.
worse.
Read. Try read.
No, but read we already have that. Read
No,
is
like
number line.
binaries are strings in Erlang. Like strings are binaries, but binaries cannot they cannot like always be strings. But
You do it.
overall,
Let's
to
just
read
try.
the file, you get like a string back. Unless it's like a binary
Oh,
file.
oh no. Read is the one that we want. Read is correct. This is inheriting from the same logic from C. So we have a file descriptor and stuff.
Mm.
So yeah, it
Hmm.
is read.
Are you sure
Read.
about that, Lemus?
Yeah,
I
of
wouldn't
course.
be sure. Dude, just try on the REPL, man. I don't know why you were thinking. Just slurp.
I don't know why. Look at that sentence. I don't know why we are thinking.
Doesn't make sense. I don't understand it. Parentheses.
Oh man, that's great.
Parentheses are wrong. Yeah.
So we're gonna have we need an IO device and a number, right?
Yeah.
So oh, we
The
need to
IO.
make it IO device then.
Yeah, the IO device. I think is that. Dude, just look at the thing. The dude already made the example.
I don't think he did though.
The device. I think look at the signature for dude. Wait, just look at the signature of open. I think that okay, that's the I/O device. You need to file open and then assign the device to some random garbage. You see?
Oh, makes okay.
Yeah, you
I
need
don't
to
know. I
open
don't know
the.
what the atom list of atom read does though. Let's see.
I mean,
Open
you can open
It
it
just
for
reads.
write also.
Yeah, it doesn't allow writes probably.
file modes. Oh, so the way that you make the mode, you make a list of atoms?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, I can live with that. Okay, so the first thing is the IO device, and the second thing is the number. Let's put, I don't know, 100. I don't care. Let's
What
make it
number of
this.
what?
Yeah, I think it's the number of bytes that you want to read. So the
Um,
file name, I guess I am in the same thing. So examples.
parentheses.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Um,
Type the entire path, man, because I think it launches the thing via the Nixie star. I don't know.
the entire path you mean from home?
Yeah, from home.
Oh no.
We could have just have it,
Programming.
so that's fine.
Knife. Examples. Arithmetic.
Is your username programming?
Oh, the username. I forgot. Thanks for that.
Yeah, just add the tilde before. Home lemons instead.
Like this.
Hmm. And to make a list, do back. Just do, yeah, just do a list. Yeah.
I don't think it's like this, right? It is like this, I
Try
guess.
removing. Yeah, remove the quote. Yeah.
Okay. Symbol red is unbound.
Oh, tick on the read.
Undefined function. File read.
Innuent. Look at the definition again.
File read. Read.
Data number is an integer greater than 0, greater or equals than 0, so it could be 0.
No, but that doesn't matter because data from here on is
Wait,
just the output.
AOF returned if number plus greater than 0 and a file was reached. Okay, so that's an atom that gets returned.
I kind of want to do baby steps, so let's do open first. Let's see if we get it with open. I think that's fine. So let's do file. Yeah, basically this. So copy this. Do we have open?
Is the path
Okay, so
right?
it didn't find. It didn't find. We have an error. So it
Check
didn't
if
open
the
the
path.
file.
Check the path.
Yeah.
Check the path. Um, uh, uh, yeah, definitely there. It's definitely there. Which, by the way, remind me that I need to save this file. Yeah. So see, it is here. Programming Nekoma knife examples. I don't know if it makes sense to be an absolute path. So let's try to do something like this.
I don't know, man.
No. So how do we read a file? What is expecting again here? It's expecting a
Can you try
file.
like the
Is an
full
IO
path?
data or file name? A file name is what?
The
Is
guy
this
is using a string.
the guy is using a string? Are you sure?
Yes. Go down.
Go down. They didn't tell us.
Yeah, he didn't.
So we don't know.
Can you try like the absolute path? Maybe your link doesn't like resolve stuff.
Oh, that
Okay.
works. Okay, let's go back. We're gonna have to tackle that at some point also. Undefined function read. Okay, but it has an okay though.
Yeah, file read the problem is.
Yeah, file
Because I
read is
think
a
it's
problem.
lacking two parameters. Check the parameters of file read.
Oh, you need to like unpack the okay from
Oh
the
yeah, yeah, you
device.
need to unpack it. Okay.
Okay, that sucks, but okay.
That's the beauty.
Let's copy this.
How do you like do these pattern matches in list? Do you need to like use a let?
I
Do we
don't know if
have
a let works. We can try.
do we
Check if
have
the let works.
depth parameter here in Magenta? Do you remember that?
We have what?
Do you
Def
have
parameter?
this?
No, I don't think we do. We have def var, I think.
Def var? No.
No. Def cons.
No.
Def.
We have that nothing.
I already
Define.
def what?
Define.
Oh,
We have define. I don't know what it is though.
That's from Erlang. Like there's the define that we're trying to use, like when we were doing the maybe stuff.
Hmm.
is that gonna work?
I
It's
don't know,
like a
man.
C define.
I don't know,
Yeah,
man.
that should work.
Should
Dude, as I
work.
said, stop thinking. Try.
Stop thinking. Try.
That's
How
it,
do we
man.
reload this?
No functional clause
Um,
matching. Okay, I
so
think
the
we're gonna have to take a look on documentation.
which documentation you're talking about?
Yeah.
I do not understand you. What do you mean?
I remember reading like this documentation a lot of time ago. It just stops like in the middle. Like they just say like, no,
Like
no,
it doesn't
we don't need
exist.
that.
There.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's all the documentation we have, right? Some JavaScript things. So pathetic, man. That's pathetic.
Def
Def
macro.
mount.
We have macro and functions, but we don't have other stuff. OTP. Def
Search
module.
search for Lisp true def var.
Can't you use like def macro to define a constant?
No, Lisp true.
Oh,
Type Lisp
Lisp
true.
2.
Oh, dude, set Q. Try set Q.
Set
No,
Q.
dude, just try it. Stop searching stuff. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Set Q.
Mm,
It didn't load. I don't
not
know.
red.
Undefined function set Q.
Yeah, so this gotta be
Hmm.
a shitty function defining their link to handle that. Search for Lisp true def a variable. Space on Lisp true.
What is the difference between Lisp 1 and Lisp 2?
Yeah, let's see. Man, like this paper about by Richard P. Gabriel is a summary of the issues with the Lisp community while discussing Lisp 1 versus 2. It's a bit dense and slow, blah blah blah.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna answer what we want.
I
We
thought you
already
were going to say
found.
like there was a paper about defining
No,
variables
but
in
I think we
LFE.
found some sort of more documentation about LFA. I remember
LFA examples, click there.
where.
Oh, there's Rosetta, man. There's Rosetta code.
Oh, that's true, right?
That's the
Rosetta.
best documentation.
That's the best
I love the
documentation.
website, man. The website, that's the propaganda for them.
Accumulator factory. Let's pick whatever. How a good of a way of making this, but okay. Uh,
Search LFA. Don't think, man. Just search. Just act. Be pragmatic.
set. Set.
Alright, that makes sense. Commander talked about this. I didn't highlight though.
But it worked. Haha.
Okay.
File path. Nice.
Oh, you called it as a function. Just
Oh,
do
okay.
file
It's
path.
like
Yeah.
this. Nice.
Right.
Okay. So we have the file path, which is this.
The
Uh,
people who made the syntax highlighting didn't even know this.
They forgot about that. But how is
uh,
that even possible? Because man, like the point of Erlang is not allowing you to declare that kind of stuff globally.
Yeah, you have a
uh,
point.
wait, I did something wrong. This needs to be wrong.
No, it's fine.
No, the indentation is wrong, so it needs to be wrong.
Okay, yeah. One more there.
It's here?
Go to the end. One more, I think. That's
Here?
right. This tab.
Can you hear?
Yes. Enter there. No. Uh, no. Sorry. Wait. Let me see the parentheses. So the red. Oh wait. Stop moving. Stop moving. So the file open receives the file path, the list, and the thing, the number.
No,
That
no, no, no,
is
no. This is wrong.
wrong.
This is wrong. This is wrong.
It
Sorry.
doesn't receive the number. Yeah.
Doesn't receive the number.
And then after that, that's the case. Then enter there.
I still can't. Okay, so who cares? Okay, so this we're gonna have tuple. I guess
Okay.
one of them will have an error, right? Where it is?
Just match the okay, man. Whatever. Fuck the error.
No, man.
Cares. Cares for handling errors, man. That's like losers. That's not
That's
for
like
losers.
losers.
Yeah, let it
It's like
crash,
for
man.
losers.
Error and whatever this is. Error, reason, and then we're gonna just do IO, F right, I guess.
And just do a tick on the error.
Okay, and here, uh, no um, file. I don't know. Didn't find file. Didn't find
You're
file.
thinking too much and typing too little.
Ah man, I hate when Maget is in this mode.
The pragmatic mode.
Uh,
And it's like in one parenthesis.
lacking one parenthesis.
Yeah, wrapping all this expression. Go to the beginning.
This expression you mean
Before the tuple adds another one.
before the tuple adds another. Oh, here.
Yeah, and there as well. No, and there as well. On the beginning of the second line as well.
Oh, here.
Yes. And now it's unbalanced. Add another one.
Awesome parentheses
Not okay.
debugging.
Okay.
No, no, no. File read. Yeah.
Just return content.
Content. Okay. Okay. Let's
Wait,
pray.
shouldn't like the content of the OK be called something else? Like FD maybe?
Sorry?
Shouldn't the content of the OK match be called like FD instead of content? It's just like the descriptor.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah,
think.
yeah, that's true. That's true. This is the descriptor. Descriptor. Okay. Let's try. Nice. This is the way that we test if it works. Yeah, okay, it works. The parentheses are right. Read file. Undefined function read file. That's not a good sign. Oh, it's because it's
You need to
expecting a file
provide the
path.
path.
No, no,
Yeah.
I'm dumb. This is dumb. Now it's correct.
Can't you just pass the file path to it?
Yeah, it passes like prefers the global thing. That's
No clause matching this. Okay, so
okay.
this is not how you pattern match then. This.
Oh,
No,
Nice.
that's fine.
No, no
Okay.
clause matching.
Is that how
isn't
you
there like
use
a
the
tuple literal just to make this a bit less painful?
What do you mean?
Having like a tuple literal instead of having to call this tuple function.
This is not a tuple function, man.
I think you
Yes.
can use the
Because
hashtag.
this is a tuple function.
Yes. Remove that and do the hashtag. I think you can do that.
You mean doing like this?
Yeah, but you need the quote, right?
It comes after
The
doing
OK,
this.
No,
I
man.
think.
The quote on the OK because the OK
Oh,
is a symbol. Yeah.
oh, okay, I understand. And this probably is also the case.
Hmm. Yeah, but I still think that's wrong.
Yeah, but it's a bit sweeter.
No
Exception
cause
no
clause
case
matching.
clause.
Yeah, so you don't know how to pattern match in LFA a
A file
result of a
descriptor.
function from Erlang.
No, dude, we did that
No, we
previously.
don't. No,
Wait,
we didn't. We never did that.
It's the same shit, man. Like there's no difference. The problem is
Definitely there is, right? Definitely
yeah,
there
I mean,
is.
there are like no examples of this language online.
Yeah, we know.
we're
We
nerds.
discovered this case thing, man, by try and error.
Yeah, that was sheer strike of luck, man. Oh, Lemos, add a parenthesis on the line above, on the end,
On the line above.
on the end.
And sorry?
Click on the F right, go to the end, add a parenthesis. There. Now go to the end. Yeah. Dude, I hate this. It doesn't. Dude,
Same thing.
what the fuck, man? Well, the code is wrong or true or correct. It doesn't matter.
But let's
Oh
try the
wait,
double
add another parenthesis. Add another parenthesis in the first thing.
in the first.
In between this, yes, in between this scrap.
In between. What do you
Yes,
mean? Here?
do that. Yeah, don't think. This too. Yeah, there. Yes.
Oh, look at this. There's a documentation page about pattern matching.
Illegal
Illegal
pattern.
partner. Quote error reason. Remove the hashtag and do tuple again.
Uh, illegal pattern. I think there is extra parentheses now.
No, it had to, man. I'm exactly sure it had to. Look at the ones we did.
Just a sec.
I am right, man. I know I'm right. No, you gotta be kidding me. No, I am right. Dude, what the fuck is this inconsistent? Look at what we did.
Nice.
No, man, go to the basic.
I'm so happy right now.
Go to the basic. No, man, this is bullshit. Like, this is really bullshit.
One parenthesis. One parenthesis.
What the fuck?
You are crazy, Magenta.
Where-
That's the thing.
No, dude, there was somewhere that we had to add another extra parenthesis. Oh, I remember. It was on the case for the function. Like if you do in the parameters.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
Ah, okay. I remember now. Because I got pissed with that. Okay. At least we have the text. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. So we have the content now. So what we should do?
So we should do a parser to parse the parentheses. The well,
Yeah.
the
Right.
squared
Let's call this a
brackets.
separator, right?
Yeah. Actually, let's make a thing to parse s expression. No,
Yeah.
man, that's specific. Like, don't do it there. Like, this is the library, right?
No, this is the basic blocks that we're gonna use, right? Or no?
No, but dude, this is like the library. You should do the specific stuff from LFA out, right?
Okay, makes sense. Let's do it here.
So yeah, make
How? No,
a
wait. Now we need to understand how to import stuff, right?
No, we don't.
We need to understand how to import stuff to here.
claps to us because I'm with a clown face right now.
How do we import stuff? How
Tr-
to import stuff?
Dude, I don't know why you bothered searching, man.
I
That's just a
remember
waste of time.
when we tried to import the maybe module in Erlang.
Man, the fact that Magetta is so pissed makes me, I don't know. It's so funny.
No, man, it's not funny.
It
It's
is.
sad.
It is
It
funny
is
as fuck.
sad.
It is funny as fuck. It is so. Wait, we have all of this, and we were doing try and error.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, so we have a church.
Oh, what is this?
3, 4. Wait, is this piano numbers?
Yes, apparently. Yes, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Okay. You can use this as a symbol to a function.
Yeah, I think you can.
That's. I don't know how to feel about that, but that's fine.
It's innovative, I guess.
Okay, so this is your exporting just a function. So we want the opposite. We want to import functions, right?
I
We
don't
want to
think you need to
import.
import them. You just need to like interlink reference them using like module name
Yeah,
and
you
like
just do the
calling.
name, like, and then you just you. But the thing is, on the terminal, on the REPL, how do we do that?
We don't.
No, in the repo we don't care because we can evaluate in the repo and everything is already there.
Yeah, okay, you got a
Yeah, but I
point
don't
there.
want to do like that because that's the like, that is too grug
Come
for
on,
us,
that's
even for us.
illiterate programming, man. What are you talking about?
Ah,
Just make all of our program in an org file, and that's it.
man. You hear her first, folks. You just need an org file. Who needs modularity?
Yeah, man. Who cares? You just modularize things in org. That's it.
Oh, this is the way you do it. Nice. So you do import from, and then the module, and then the function and the arity.
That's
Thanks.
very perfect.
Thanks. I appreciate. From
Like one parenthesis,
basic. So we're
one
gonna.
parenthesis.
Uh, oh man.
Good luck importing everything now.
No, no, no. We're not gonna import everything. That's not how it works. We just need to import stuff that we want to have. But now I'm
Yes,
thinking,
everything.
which parsers do we want? Aside from many, for
That's
instance.
what I say. Everything, and it's like in one parenthesis.
Because two parentheses actually. Because if you think about it, we're gonna have separator here, and this is gonna be a parser, right?
No,
So
dude, we need an S expression parser, which is the
no, let's go by parts, man. Because if you go to the
yes,
S expression first,
dude. The S expression is the parenthesis, which is the principal thing in the Lisp sheet.
no, no, no. An S expression is composed of two separators
Parenthesis opening and a parenthesis closing.
and I don't know the expression here. This
Yeah,
is an S expression.
yeah.
Yeah, so we are making the first part. But the thing that oh man,
Dude, but a separator is just a char. What is the point of making a parser for it?
because we don't have that. We don't have a parser for a char. Remember?
We have any char.
Which is not what we want.
We just parse a thing, we just use the same function, send a character. What is the main thing to make a function for it, man?
Because we're gonna have to make a function that calls any char and verifies if the char is an open or a closing brackets. You see?
Yes, but why are you gonna do that as a separator function? Just do in the library.
No, I wouldn't do this as a function. I would do this as, well, it is a function here, but it would be also a parser, this guy. You see? Again, I really don't like this approach of going straight up to the ginormous thing. Apparently you love it, so let's go.
Man, like I'm just saying, like you should do instead a function that parses a char, right? And then you just send what is the char you want. Like we don't have a function that parses a char, correct?
Yeah, we don't.
So just add that.
Um, okay, let's add that.
Parse
So,
run is not a function, by the way.
are you sure?
Yeah, because that's on part of the record. How are you gonna handle that?
I have absolutely no idea. Def fun char. Right.
Try
So
to change the name because I think they will conflict with the type.
we don't have types, man. What are you talking
Yeah.
There, yeah, but there is a function char.
about?
Is there?
Hmm?
There is
Hmm?
no
Yeah, you need to know
zero.
the arity.
No,
That's
but
true.
inner link zero. Is it?
Inner link it's 0.
Oh yeah, inner link it's zero arity.
Let's try with char, and if it
Yeah,
complains, we
just a
change the name.
sure. I thought.
Okay, so this is gonna be char, right? Uh,
Wait,
and
no, you don't need to. Okay, you just copied.
yeah,
Okay.
I just copy pasted. Yeah, but there is other guys which are better to copy paste, like map, for instance.
What's your comments with the types?
Don't look, man. The more you look, the more you cringe.
Oh man, oh man. Output, and this is gonna have a char. Yeah. So then we're gonna do parser run any char, and we're gonna pass in the input, and then we're gonna do this. If we have an error, we just basically throw the error out. If we have a success, what we should do? We should
Check if the thing
check
matched.
if the thing matches the char that we actually want, which will require another function. So check char. Okay. So yeah, two chars, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
So char one, char two. I think we can actually do this in line later, but for me it's fine. I prefer having names for things.
Use the rabbit operator instead.
This is the
I don't know
best
the
name for
difference, but
operator ever
yeah.
made. It's the rabbit operator. Oh no. Uh, uh,
Instead of tuple, new, blah, blah, blah,
man,
just do the
I have a,
comparison.
I have a, I have an idea. I have an idea. Can we do? How will you create a tuple out of like nowhere? Just tuple here, right?
Uh,
You
yes.
can use like the hashtag data.
Oh, I need no. We need
But
to unwrap. That sucks. Okay, forget about it. Just forget
no,
about it.
but here's the thing. What from new input and value?
Uh,
Which one is the char?
Yeah, value.
you
So
can pattern
just
match on the
swap the
left.
value by the char.
Sorry.
Just swap value by char. CHR. Just that.
Oh, you mean this?
Yeah.
Yeah, but now we have a problem, right? Because now we need to do an if. And if, oh, that's why I made this. Okay, makes sense. Okay,
No,
so
no,
if
no, dude.
this,
You don't. No,
yeah, we
you
do.
don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, because if it is the same, it's already gonna match there,
No, no,
isn't
no,
it?
man, you don't understand. We are parsing any char and grabbing the char. Now we need to compare the
No,
if
dude.
we got a success, we gotta
Mm.
compare the char that we obtained with the char that we need
Which
to compare.
yes, which is why I told you to do char there.
What is this fun call thing?
Dude, think of pattern matching. Like I don't know if it does that, but that's why I'm saying to do that. Like if you do char, like instead of char two, pay attention to what I'm saying. Like
Hmm.
instead of char two, if it's char one, does it get that it's the same reference, so it needs to be the same? Like
I
that's my
would be
question.
very, very surprised.
It's pattern matching. Like I
Okay,
don't see why
let's
not.
try that. Let's try that. If this works, I'm gonna be so mesmerized. I can't even tell. And you ask about what is a fun call. It's because this is a function, Vinicius. And in order to have a function in its argument and apply that, you need to use fun call.
Oh.
And that kind of, well, it is what it is. Man, if this works, I'm gonna be so impressed.
Well, let's see.
Uh, Especially because it's kind of dumb, right? You see this? We are
Yeah.
pattern matching and returning the same thing.
Yes.
But let's try.
I mean, there's another case not covered, right? If it does what we expect, which is like it throws another thing and success, but
Oh,
it's not
yeah,
the
yeah,
same.
yeah. We need to consider that also. So there is a third case, indeed.
Yeah, we can ignore that for now, man. Just test to see if it works.
No, let's test as we want, man. And then this is gonna be a new input, but this is gonna be a failure. Uh, didn't find specific char. Nice. Okay.
Doing that, evaluating doesn't mean much, right?
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything at all. So char. Oh crap! I forgot. We need to do the go.
Oh, the
Yeah,
parser
here.
hell.
Okay, so we have a instead of many, let's just do one because well, probably it's not gonna work. So and then here we're gonna put a.
No, it's just double quotes. That's an atom.
Oh, that make I always forget that also. Yeah,
Hmm.
this. And then we're gonna do like this.
Actually, I don't know. I think an atom like that is just in Erlang. I think
Any
there it's
char is unbound. Okay, so I need to call this. Okay. Any char
what?
is unbound. What?
How are you using the function?
I think we are missing parentheses.
Oh yes, we are.
As always.
Yeah, you're missing less now.
It worked! Okay. Let's change this to being.
Actually, okay, yes, okay.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Wait. Success A. You sent B, and then it matched the success. Okay, but you evolve with the same thing? No, right? So it's not comparing, I guess.
No, yeah, it's not doing the pattern matching, like the crazy pattern matching that you said.
Oh, that's shit, man.
Yeah, that's sad, but it is what it is. Okay, so now we can make this thing. So it's gonna be an if there, and if both of them something's wrong, yeah, here. So if both of them is correct, then we return this. So this.
Why? Okay, oh man. I don't think we have guards. We can do like when. Probably we can, but who
And then
cares, man?
tuple,
Just coping with bullshit here
new
at this point.
input, failure,
But you need to send the
didn't,
input as well, right?
yeah, didn't find a specific char. Yeah. So then we're gonna
Why
do,
don't you use the hashtag to make these tuples?
Yeah, you can apparently.
yeah, I discovered that from you today. So congrats. Uh, just gonna have this. This is gonna have this. Check char. Okay, this should work fine. Evaluating means nothing, and nice. This is correct. Now let's change it to back to A.
Mhm. Chars
Uh,
unbound.
char is unbound.
Oh, a line on the tuple new input success. It's char instead of char1.
It's char instead of char1. Oh,
After the if, yeah.
forgot. Nice. So we do
Why are
know how
we
to
like
pass.
returning success and failure instead of okay and error?
What? Can you repeat the question?
Why are we returning success and failure instead of okay and error from our parser?
I think it's a legacy thing because in the
Don't ask questions, man. We were trying to do.
We're going against like all their link history.
which is true. Well, that's kind of true. What can we do, right? So, which functions do we need from that, man? We need definitely this. We also need um, any. Let's see. Is every single
Number.
parser just a function with arity one?
Yeah.
Okay,
Arity 0, actually.
arity zero. Okay, so we need char 0.
Well, char has 1.
Oh yeah, the comparison. Sorry. What else do we need to make an expression for now?
Number.
A number. And we also need a symbol, like an arithmetic symbol, which we don't have.
That could be a char.
Could be a char. That's
A
awesome.
char
That's
and
awesome.
an application.
An application. What
Yeah,
do you mean?
we send, if it's success, we send to something else. I think.
Uh,
I think of something like a map, like to
yeah,
convert.
it is a map. It is a map indeed. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but for now this is fine. So char for the plus and the separators, and number for the numbers themselves.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's make this. So how that's gonna work? So this is gonna receive. This is also a parser, right? This.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if this is a parser, we can copy paste this.
Make it stop, please.
What does the make parser function do?
Sorry?
What does the make parser function
It
do?
creates a parser,
But how?
It's a record. It's a
which I
record.
don't know how we're gonna import from.
It's a good question, but it's a record macro. Like, I don't know how to import that.
Yeah, let's try like this.
Try to do make parser. Maybe that works. Yeah.
That is one.
But then, like, what is the arity? Because that's a macro, man. That is generated by the namespace. So I don't know. Yeah, you see, it doesn't even show because it's doesn't even show the arity. That's what I mean. Just print make parser instead. Can you do describe? Do we have describe?
I don't think we do.
Try.
Oh,
Hmm.
We do. Basic. Try describe basic. Oh, but I don't think it's bound to a thing. Never mind. No, that's not gonna.
No,
No,
that
man.
still
No.
doesn't hurt. Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't evolve the module.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, but let's try make parser with arity one because it's a record with only one thing, right?
Actually, no. It takes two, right? Which is the key plus the other thing.
No, it only has a run, right? It
It
only
has
has
a
a
run
function.
and another thing after the run.
Are you sure?
Look down there. It's the run and the lambda.
No, no, no. Yeah, but the
You're
the
looking
lambda
at the
is the
record.
run,
I'm
right?
looking at the make parser.
No, 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 man. This field head of the
Dude,
parser
that
has the name
field is a
run, and it
key.
is all of this, man.
That field is a key. Because
That
remember, this is a
field is a
macro.
key.
So it is a key for the record.
Oh, okay. From that
You see?
perspective, it makes sense.
So I don't know if it handles that as a parameter or not. So it could be two or one. I don't know.
S expression. Okay. So what we're gonna do?
Remove the char.
Remove the char. Yeah. This is gonna be, I don't know, string, right?
No, why?
Actually, this is gonna be an expression, I guess. Oh no, this is inside the
No,
input. Never
this
mind.
is nothing. Yeah.
Okay, now we have a problem because now it begins the chaos. Now it begins the.
That's the time they were gonna give up, right? So
Let's make it here. So just um,
we need to get first the
fucking
parentheses, the beginning, the end. We
just
need the order is
write
yeah.
and no char this
Uh-huh.
uh
hey people, gotta go. Good
Okay,
coding
so
session for
you're
you
gonna
guys.
leave me the worst part
yeah, man, the
ever
worst part.
ever
Yeah.
which is
Oh man.
translating the operators of the combinators to the S expression style, which will burn my mind. It is already frying my mind. See you
Okay.
later, Vinicius.
See you, Vinicius.
See ya, people. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
How does this work?
Uh, just right receives what again?
It receives two parsers.
So we want there. Oh, we didn't make a between, right? Oh man, that would
Choose
help so much.
left. Yeah. Then this is char.
Yeah, we didn't make a
This.
between parser.
Yeah, that would be indeed really useful. And then in here,
It's the expression.
yeah, here is gonna be the hard one.
Just do
So
anything like for now. For now, just do a like a any char. Many any char. Do that.
Imagine this working just for a sec. How awesome it
No,
would be.
if it just works, that'll be. I will start running naked downstairs, man.
I will expect the video about that.
Yeah, true.
Oh man. Yeah, okay. Oh, and we also need any char, which is just one. No, which is zero, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Are
I think
you
it will
ready?
break in the make parser. I'm pretty sure that will break.
Actually,
Oh,
we
oh,
we should comment all of this. Uh,
why? Okay, okay, yeah. Yeah,
Actually,
comment.
it doesn't make a
Yeah,
difference importing this stuff.
yeah,
So
next, just comment that, man. Yeah,
no,
it
no
shouldn't be
comment
there.
at all.
Yeah,
Set test.
oh no.
Okay. Okay. So how this works? Oh no, we actually do need some of it because we have to read the content from here. Hmm. Well, actually, let's YOLO it. I'm okay with YOLOing it. So let's put a. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited.
I'm not.
I am. So this is a function. Remove this. Test.
Yeah.
Undefined function.
Oh, because you set instead. Do a defun blah blah blah.
No.
Defun s expression, and that's the body.
Okay, as expression.
Yeah, but you should make the parse and do all that crap. Like you can just remove the parser run in that case. Just
Uh,
yeah, just do that.
Wait, do what?
Ah man, no, you can't. Like you need to make the thing send the part because this will.
Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see.
Yeah,
No, no, makes sense, makes sense. So we're just gonna delete all of this, and we're just gonna do a fun call. Yeah, fun call. Parse run. Parse run. And then this
parser run, right?
parser run. Sorry. Then you're gonna copy paste all of that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Ah,
oh,
you can
jeez.
move on. Yeah.
And then in here we're gonna put input, and that's it. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes. Seems okay.
That makes sense.
Now
So
try running. Please, just end with this.
I'm so excited though. I'm so excited. So
End this torture, please.
what are you talking about? Um, okay, I want to first do a read file.
Dude, no man, don't do that,
Why
please.
do we have this? I want to
The
remove
slash
this.
n. Emacs adds that in the end, like because of Unix. Dude, just try with a sample, like the one that you typed up there with the test. Just change the test by the S expression.
Okay.
Let's go smaller. I love the emoji down there, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool indeed. Okay. Okay. So let's do it then. Here, meta this
S expressions.
as expression. Okay, we got an error, which is fine.
Expand macro parser run.
Let's go step by step again. This always works. Parser run as expression. Undefined. Oh, it's because I did it wrong. Parser wrong. As expression is unbound. Okay, so it is not recognizing this thing. So let's do it again, which is fine.
Why there is a bunch of G's in the middle, man?
I have no idea. And this is a function. That's why it's not working.
Probably the parentheses are wrong. Let's check.
Yeah, the parenthesis seems to be wrong.
Uh,
It's really, really hard to read.
dude, do a line break after the phone call. Let's
Makes
try to clean that.
sense.
And then on the just right, yes. And then on the on the first and second, so on the char and the second, yes, that's better.
That's more readable.
Well, it's not good, but it's better.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so all of this.
Okay, so that is wrong, right? You should get the part. So and add another parenthesis there,
Where?
there, where you are, and remove one from the end
Oh, I see, I see, I see. Makes sense.
because yeah,
Mm-hmm.
the input. Yeah.
Okay. So theoretically,
Okay, now
nice.
I get the function. Parser A is
Parser A
inbound.
is unbound.
What
What
is
do you
parser
mean, partner?
A?
Oh, and by the way, I think I need to remember all of us that we didn't test just right and just left. We just kind of YOLO it.
Yes, but I remember now. Oh wait, my monitor went black. Wait. Oh, it's back.
We literally just YOLO it. So maybe the problem is parser A from one of those.
Check there what is parser A and B. I remember doing that, but I don't remember where it
No,
is.
it can be just right or just left. We have to test both.
Yeah, so yeah, that's
So, oh, fuck. Just right.
yeah. You
What?
need something, right? You need to.
Oh, it's because I didn't evaluate them in basic. Okay,
Oh,
makes sense. Where are them? Where are
yeah.
they?
You didn't evaluate the
This?
parser A and B, right?
Yeah.
Then
And now we also need just left.
no, but they are already evolved, right?
I don't think so.
Oh, dude, it's complaining about parser. No, you're calling just right zero. It has two parameters.
Yeah, but we are passing two parameters to it.
No, no,
Look.
no, dude. It's not complaining about that. It's complaining about it cannot find parser A, which is inside that thing.
Oh, but it is right here. All right here.
Let me read. It's it looks okay.
Yeah. So I really don't
Second.
know what is the problem with parser A.
Wait. No, it's fine. Yeah, looks okay to me. Yeah, looks fine.
Yeah, so
Looks disgusting, but looks fine.
looks disgusting is the best. I propose a modification to this to simplify and test what we should have tested before. So in here, yeah, function call. There's an extra
It's almost like
parenthesis.
you think already in parentheses, man. That was a huge improvement.
Yeah, no, man, 32 sessions. I learned a lot already. Uh, yeah, symbol parser A
Actually,
is unbound. Yeah,
let
so
me
just right
think.
is wrong.
Can you, yeah, go to just right and let's think of, let's see the usages of parser A. Let's see all the points. So it uses, oh, a parenthesis in the parser run. Uh,
Oh, that's it. That's
that's how
totally
you test
it, man.
things, kids.
That is a
And
lot.
also, wait, no, that's still not wrong. That's still wrong on the parser B. Parser B.
Okay. And that's why you
And
should
other.
test kids. That's why we don't
Yeah,
do like us.
yeah,
And
if
the
you have time to
alternative is
do
also wrong.
immediately. If you have types, you don't need that, right?
You do. You actually do.
No, you don't, man.
You
If you
do.
have like dependent types, you don't care. Like it's working. It's proved that it's
Where
working.
is the alternative? It's also
So, but
everything
it's
is wrong, I guess.
oh no, but your code here is wrong. Blah, blah, blah. Did it say bring me a theorem and then prove it otherwise?
Just test, kids. That's it. Just test.
That is for losers, literally. I
Oh,
have a feeling the parentheses are very wrong.
you have just a feeling, right? Just a single one.
Uh,
Uh,
out. Why is the alternative that corrupt?
where? Oh,
You see?
here I have no
Oh,
idea.
yeah. Why? What the
I have
heck?
absolutely no idea. Undefined function parser A0 now.
Oh, because the parser. Oh man, that's trash. Because the parser could have uh, a variatic number of parameters, right? Not a variatic, but it could have many different parameters. So you cannot call it like that. Because think about it, is the parser A,
How
you're
are you gonna
sending the
how are you gonna
case.
get around that?
I don't know. Let's think. The parser A in this case is char, right?
Yeah.
So it has one zero parameter.
It's no, it's not. Char has one parameter.
No, no, it's char applied with the thing, with the crap there. So it has zero.
Oh, okay, yeah. In this case, yes. Oh, it's here, man.
Oh, so that is in the left. No, but we're complaining about function parser. So I think that's a different issue. Like we're trying to call it like that, but then it says, okay, so this is not callable. This is not a function. You're moron.
You're a moron. Let's try a last time because I don't know how we're gonna get around that. Actually,
I,
depending on how bad the implications of that is, maybe you're gonna have to drop the language for real if that's the case.
yeah, I actually want that actually.
Yeah.
Exception parse, because think about is like look at the line. I don't have the line number, so look at the let next phone call. You see?
Yeah. Here.
So what is the problem with that? The problem is that okay, like parser A is the char. So when you run the char blah blah blah, it is a parser with a thing inside. Yes. And then it tries to run that thing. But that's already ran. So I think that was right without the thing. Without
Without
the
the
parentheses.
parentheses.
Yes.
No, so I have to undo what I did.
Yeah. No, but
Okay.
just remove from there. Like let's do by parts. Just remove from uh the just left for now.
Let's shoot
Just
for both justs though, because we're gonna get lost pretty quickly. Which one is
oh,
the?
I never really lost though.
No, you're not. I know you're not.
Oh
You're
man,
just saying that for the drama.
the drama.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there's
Okay.
one there. There's one
Where?
up there.
Where?
Go up.
Oh,
Go up.
applicative.
Uh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
Alright.
let's run both of these.
And the
And
alternative as well.
we're not using alternative,
Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, so
but this will go the same problem. Symbol parser A is unbound.
yeah, but let's do by steps. Just do a left, just left with a char and another char. Char one, char two, enter. Okay, now do a parser run on this to grab the function.
Ah, fuck me, man.
We can make a
This
monad for that. Do you want to do that?
we can
And
do that.
just do a parser run, man. Don't assign that. Oh man, why?
We will.
Let's curse it. Okay.
Nice.
Now parser run X
No, what are
and
you
then
talking
full
about?
call.
Just this.
No, no, no,
Just
dude, don't
this.
no
Just
man,
this.
no. Oh man, no. Okay, no, change the input. Like put it Yeah, it's still unbound, man. 1, 2. But it's still unbound. Dude,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
So
Dude,
probably is a
you
parenthesis
pisses me.
problem. Let's check the parentheses.
Yeah, but man, like it pisses me that we don't have the things, man. Like, why?
We don't have the things.
And the lines, like, dude, that's so stupid.
Oh my man.
Can you click on the let? The inner let.
Inner.
No, no, no. Yes, the inner. Go to the end of his line. End. Go to the end.
The end of this line.
Yes. So the parentheses are all aligned. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's fine as well. The thing ends there. And the other thing ends there. Yeah, man, looks everything looks okay. Next, next. Pinnacle of
Oh no.
yeah, man, everything seems okay.
But man, something
Yeah,
that I found really weird that this doesn't have the extra parentheses is that when you do this parser run and you do any char, we don't do like that, right? We don't
yeah,
do like
because
this.
yeah, but you gotta think that any char is already a function, right?
No,
No, it is.
no, it's not. It's
It
a
is a
parser.
function. It no, man. It is a function that has a parser inside.
It's the opposite. It's a parser that has a function inside.
Go to the any char, man.
Go to the any char. Where it
It
is. Just left. Applicative. Here. See?
is a function that receives unit and returns a parser.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, but
what's the
if you put it in those terms, everything is a function then.
no, dude? Like no, man, you're getting two things different. Like you're complaining about the parentheses on the parser run. Like
No,
you
no,
gotta
here.
run the
As we were
parser.
doing before.
Yes, but that's the thing. The parser A is already run. It's just the inner content of the parser. That's why we don't need to send it there. So, for example, what we're doing with the char one, that's already a parser. That's not a function that needs to be evaluated to generate a parser. Like doing the
Wait,
REPL,
wait.
just
I
to
think I think that what we're supposed to be doing is something like this.
yes, but that is because the char is already running. You see the difference?
No, we have a parser that is not
No,
running at all. It's already received one of its dependencies, but it's not running per se. It's not executing the lambda.
no,
What
no.
triggers the lambda is
I
the
know
parser
it's not
run.
a lambda, but it's returning the parser.
Yeah, it's returning the parser. That's correct.
Yeah. So what is the problem?
The problem is that this works and this just doesn't. This
Well,
just
this
doesn't work.
doesn't because it needs a parameter, which is
No.
unit.
Oh, okay. If you're gonna put in those terms, yes, it needs unit. But then everything needs at least unit, doesn't? Don't they?
Oh,
No,
oh wait, yeah, yeah. If it's just a constructor make
man.
parser, it
This
doesn't.
is what is happening to Emacs?
No, because what
Oh no.
you saved, right?
I think I did.
Yes, I can see there you saved. What the Haskell thing compiling? What was I saying? Because here,
75% of RAM?
what?
That was 75% of 64 gigs, man.
What?
I, for a moment, in the recording you can see later. But it was 75 here, man.
Wait, but is that RAM or CPU?
RAM.
Memory? Yeah, dude, what the fuck, man?
We are using 22 gigs.
What? What are you doing? Probably
Nothing.
it's the Haskell compile in the background.
No,
Is this
no, no. That finished a long time ago, man.
okay? Close Emacs just out
No,
of
no, no.
conscience.
Forget about it. Let's just continue here. So I
Okay.
don't understand. I was asking you. Don't every all the parsers receive at least unit then.
No, because you're thinking of two different things. Like what we were doing, they are not really parsers. They are functions that contain parsers inside.
They are functions that receive unit.
No, some of them receive units. So any char is an example, but some of them receive other parsers. So like parser A and B in the case of just right left. Like look at the signature of just right, just left there. It receives two parsers, right?
Hmm.
So just a second, man.
I think it's gonna happen again.
So I forgot what I was saying. So the just left, for example, it takes two parsers and then it constructs a make it makes it does the make parser which is constructing the parser. So that is the thing that doesn't need parentheses. So when you send unit, it means that you just evaluated already. So you don't need to send anything.
Yeah, but do you agree that char
Dude, why
one?
did it jump to 55? What the fuck?
Yeah, it's growing. It's 77.
77? Dude, what?
77%.
Man, okay, stop the stream, man. Stop the stream.
96%.
Okay, we know the culprit. Now it's at 3%.
Okay, so LFA was
it, er,
hungry
yeah,
for RAM.
it was.
Holy Jesus. Okay, so my question for you is, do you agree that if we do char1, it's gonna, I did it here, it's returning a parser fun, right?
Yes.
Any char is also, oh, now I see the difference. See?
Yes.
No,
Because
wait. No,
dude,
it's
the
the same,
difference
it's the
is
same here.
no, dude. You still didn't get the important parts. The any shard, they're both executing something. So the shard doesn't require a unit. It requires another parameter, which is a character, a string,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
The any shard doesn't require anything. It just requires a unit. But both you need to execute first. Execute in the sense of evaluate and throw me back a parser.
Evaluate and throw me back a
Evaluate
parser.
the function part and build a parser for me with the make parser body. That is the thing that gets sent to the parser run to get extracted because that's the record.
Yeah, and I think we have two different perspectives of this then. Because for me, what is happening is, this is a parser. This is a parser. It is a
Yes, that,
parser, and
yes.
because here, instead of having types, everything is a function, so that's why we need parentheses in all of them. Because everything
Um,
needs to receive at least a unit. And then, this will return as a parser, and then to extract
yeah,
the
yeah,
function inside the
yeah,
parser,
I agree. Because they are functions, you need to evaluate the functional part. I agree with that.
exactly, and then to extract this lambda that we actually care,
Yeah, we run the parser run.
we want the parser run. So I don't understand why adding parentheses to all of them, since all of them will
No, yeah, I
require.
was thinking. Yes, I agree. We shouldn't add parentheses there because at that point they already should be parsers. They shouldn't be
Oh,
functions.
now I got your point. Okay, okay. But then they are being classified as unbound, right? So.
Yes, which I don't know why. Like, oh, damn it, comma.
Oh!
What? I
It's
think
the comma!
yeah, there's a stupid comma there. Remove that crap, and I'll go have dinner. I'll be back. Anyway, oh man, stupid.